Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just earlier today, I made a video and it was about, let me see if I just have one copy here, and I do. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and then I'm going to move the center rotation in here. This is a bevel. So when we rotate it 120 degrees, or excuse me, 60 degrees, it doesn't work. So I used another method of beveling later. And then a good friend of mine, Eskimo, our macro guy, suggested just using the transformation docker, which I wouldn't really see why it would make much difference, but it does. So with only one copy here, we're going to double click on it and move the rotation to that corner. We're going to go up to Windows, Dockers, and transform. Yours might say transformation. And we're going to go to the rotation, and we're going to rotate 60 degrees 5 times because we've already got one, and we hit apply. So even with a bevel, the transformation docker, so I think I might have kind of known that. So I thank Eskimo for chiming in on the video. And then if you ever, anybody ever has a suggestion on a video or a quicker way to do something, leave me a message on my videos, or better yet, email me. Anyway, I hope that it helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.